This is part 2 of Homelabbing on a $0 budget. Today's goal is to set up an SSH server on my Linux Chromebook. The requirements for this project are simple: a host computer and a client computer to be able to SSH into the host. SSH creates a secure tunnel from your whole... First, let's update the system. Open up terminal and run sudo apt update. This is to make sure you're not running software from the Stone Age. Get it? Okay. Next, we'll install the openssh-server. This is what actually lets us connect remotely. In terminal, run sudo apt install openssh-server. Now we'll configure the config file. Open it with this command. Find and make sure port 22 is on and your listen address is your host IP. This tells SSH which port to use and which IP it should listen on. After any changes, make sure you restart the SSH server with this command. Now we can check if the SSH is actually running with sudo systemctl status SSH. If it says active, nice. If not, you need to enable it using these commands. Now hop over to another computer or client and run this in a terminal to SSH into your host. If it's your first time, it'll ask about host key fingerprint. Don't say yes until you verify that the fingerprint matches with the fingerprint on the server. So go on your host device and run this command. Now if the fingerprints match on your client and your host device, you can type yes. Now you can SSH into your host device. That's all. Hope you enjoyed.